8 months ago, I thanked you guys for 100,000 subscribers and gave away a telescope. The winner of that telescope was a boy from Uttarakhand. And then I promised you guys to give away another telescope at 200,000 subscribers. So in this video, we will talk about that. Let's begin. Hello geniuses. First of all, thank you so much for helping me reach out 200,000 subscribers. It literally took me 3 years to go from 0 subscribers to 100,000 subscribers, and in just 8 months I went from 100,000 subscribers to 200,000 subscribers. This is the amount of love that you have given to me, so thank you so much. So as a thank you, I'm gonna give away another telescope as I gave away one at 100,000 subscribers. So let us talk about its process. It's really simple. There is a Google form link in the description of this video. Just click that link, go to that Google form, fill that form up to take part in this giveaway. This is as simple as that. Now previously a lot of people had queries about how I choose the winner. I choose the winner completely randomly. The system chooses a random person from all the people who have taken part in the giveaway. And another thing that I want to tell you is that after 24 hours of this video published, the Google form will stop taking responses. Okay, so hurry up. Also previously a lot of people messaged and emailed me to give us the telescope. It won't work. It is a completely fair and random process. I will just choose a random person from the people who took part in the giveaway. Okay, now another really important thing is that if you win the telescope, I will ask your address and phone number from this email only. Do not reply to any other email with your personal information. Okay, this is really important. I need that so that I can send you this telescope. Okay, another thing is that if the winner does not reply within 24 hours with the details that I request, I will choose another winner and then you can't do anything. So be sure to be active. Okay, now I know a lot of people are going to take part in this giveaway and the chances of one person winning the telescope are low, but they are not zero. So taking part in this giveaway is free, so be sure to take part in this giveaway. So thanks for watching this video. If you do not win the telescope, don't worry, I will do another giveaway at 300,000 subscribers. I don't know, I will give a telescope or something else, but I will surely do it. So thanks for watching this video. Again, thank you so much for 200,000 subscribers, and always remember that math is everything.